Welcome back, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today, we will discuss some activities based on the lesson A School for Sympathy. Are you ready? Okay, so all of you take your English text and take page number 173. Look, activity 3. Some of the features of a normal school are given below. Read them. First one, many subjects are taught. Second one, most parents expect their children to learn subjects like mathematics, science, etc. Third one, different methods of teaching are adopted. The question is, now write about Miss Beam's school based on your reading of the text. Students, here you are asked to write about Miss Beam's school. So before that, all of you read this story very well. Okay? Then try to do it yourself. Now all of you take page number 174. Look, activity 1. I'll read the question. In The School for Sympathy, E.V. Lucas describes Miss Beam as middle-aged, authoritative, kind and understanding. The author uses words to describe her age, appearance and character. The table given below contains words describing the physical features and character of people. Match the items given in the columns. Students, so here is a table. It contains words describing the physical features and character of people. So you are asked to match the items properly. In this table, the first column is describing words. Second column is physical features or character. Look, the first one, tall, short, medium. So, what is the physical feature or the character? Yes, height. It tells about height. Then second one, frail, stocky, slim, thin, plump, fatty, skinny, well-built. Identify the physical feature. Yes, build. It tells about build. Young, elderly, middle-aged, teenager. What is the physical feature? Yes, age. It tells about age. Next one, round, oval, square, wrinkled. All of you identify the respective physical feature. Yes, very good. Face. It tells about face. Next one, grey, straight, curly, black, blonde, wavy, bushy. Identify the physical feature. Yes, you are right. It tells about hair. Next one, big, round, small, bright, narrow. Tell me. Yes, eyes. It tells about what? Eyes. Look, the last one. Cheerful, aggressive, sensitive, serious, energetic, confident. What is the physical feature? Yes, it tells about character. So hope you all understood this one. Now look at the question. Now describe the following personalities using the words given in the above box. Who are those personalities? Yes, Sherlock Holmes, Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, Muhammad Rafi, and one has been done for you. Sherlock Holmes is a tall, middle-aged man. He has black hair, a long nose, bright eyes, and an oval-shaped face. Students, these two sentences tells about his physical features. So you can do it as a homework. All of you go through that table and try to do this activity, okay? Students, now all of you take page number 175. Look, activity 1. read the following notice. So a notice is given here. All of you read it. The Nightingale and the Rose, a play presented by the English Club of GGHSS Chalapuram. Dear friends, the English Club of GGHSS Chalapuram has decided to stage the one-act play based on the story The Nightingale and the Rose by Oscar Wilde as part of the annual day celebrations of the school. The members of the English Club have prepared the script and directed the play. Sri Kavalam Narayana Panikar, renowned poet and theatre personality, has consented to inaugurate the staging of the play. All are welcome. Secretary, English Club, GGHSS Chalapuram. So this is the first part of a notice. Now look the second part. Program details. So the second part includes the program details. Date and time are given here. Then venue, school auditorium, welcome speech, secretary, English Club, presidential address, headmistress, inauguration, Sri Kavalam Narayana Panikar. Felicitations, school leader, staff secretary. Vote of thanks, joint secretary, English Club. So this is the second part of the notice. Now read the question given here. The health club of your school has decided to observe the International Day for the Differently Abled on December 3rd, 2016. As the convener of the club, you have been asked to prepare a notice including all the relevant details of the program. Draft the notice. So, a format of a notice is given here. Using this format, you have to write a notice. Try to do it yourself. Students, now all of you take page number 176. Look, activity 1. Fill in the bubbles using the words or phrases which show quality, appearance and personality of Miss Beam. So the bubble given in the middle includes the name Miss Beam. Around that, some bubbles are given here. 3 hints are already given here. They are grey-haired, middle-aged and comforting. Students, so try to identify the words or phrases which show quality, appearance and personality of Miss Beam. Now all of you take page number 177. Now speak about Miss Beam using the words or phrases identified. So based on the diagram given in the previous page, you have to speak about Miss Beam. First one is given here. Miss Beam is very comforting to homesick children. Now all of you try to do the rest of it. Another question is also given here. Now develop a character sketch of Miss Beam using the above sentences and present it in the class. So after completing the first one, then you have to develop a character sketch of Miss Beam. This is the activity for you. Do it as a homework. Students, now all of you take page number 178. Look, activity 1. Look at the following sentences. We teach only those things that are simple. The real aim of this school is not to teach thought but thoughtfulness. Students, the verbs in the above sentences are in the simple present tense. Students, this is a grammar part. So let's know about simple present tense. Simple present tense. It is used to tell about things that happen continually in the present, like every day, every week or every month. Example, I go to school every day. We play outside after school each day. In these sentences, go and play are in the simple present tense. Usually, the simple present tense is used to describe actions that are universal or habitual. Look at these two sentences. The earth revolves around the sun. It is a universal truth. The next sentence, they play cricket every Sunday. It is a habitual action. Students, another example for universal action is the sun rises in the east. Then another example for habitual action is they watch television every day. Then simple present can also be used to show planned future actions. Example, the train from Alapura arrives at 5 p.m. This sentence is considered as a planned future action. Now identify the functions of the simple present tense in the following sentences. One has been done for you. First one, I use my bike to reach school. This sentence is in the simple present tense. So what's the function of this sentence? Yes, it is a habitual action. Now look the second one. It rains a lot in Chirapunchi. Students, it is a fact. So it's a factual action. Third one, Shruti wakes up early. So what's the function of this sentence? Tell me. Yes, it is a habitual action. Fourth one, the president visits Sri Lanka next week. It is a planned future action. Next one, iron gets arrested easily. Yes, it is a universal truth. Then they leave the city tomorrow. Tell me, what's the function of this sentence? Yes, it is a planned future action. So hope you all understood about simple present tense and its functions. Now all of you take page number 179. Activity 2. Look at the following sentences. I am reading a book. Miss Beam is walking up and down the terrace. An old man is plucking roses. They are playing football. He is leaving shortly. Are the verbs in the above sentences similar to those given in activity 1? What difference do you notice? These verbs are in the present progressive tense. Students, do you know about present progressive tense? Let's know about that. Present progressive tense. It is also called present continuous tense. It is used to express actions that are going on at the same time of speaking. Example, Ramu is riding a bicycle. It is also used to express future actions that are already planned. Example, the Prime Minister is coming tomorrow. Your question is, what are the major functions of the present progressive tense? Then frame 2 sentences each showing any 2 major functions of the present progressive. Based on the definition of present progressive tense, you have to write it yourself. The continuation of this video is in part 3b.